Hello guys, so basically in this video I'm going to show you how to format your laptop PC. This will be a part one of this video. I don't want it to be too long, and I'll show you how you can get your desired operating system, whether Windows 8 or 10 or 11, on a flash drive, the right softwares to use to place that file on the flash drive, and how to get the operating system files of your choice before formatting or loading it onto your laptop. Now most of us have issues with our PCs or our laptops, whereby they don't boot into Windows anymore due to some files or software issues or corruption and all that. And depending on where you stay, we have some ridiculous, or should I say greedy, technicians who just charge us ridiculous amounts for just reloading our PCs. So for those who don't understand what reload means, is as if you're restoring your system or your PC to factory settings. So basically that's what it means. So that means you're not going to have any files. It will look as if you just uh got the laptop or your PC new, whereby you don't have softwares and other applications on it. It's just as fresh as new. So basically this video is a part one, but it's going to show you things you need to get it done yourself. As long as you can read and you can write, you're a little bit literate, is not something difficult. Now the things you need is obviously another PC aside the one you're trying to restore or load the operating system onto. You need a PC or a laptop. You need a USB flash drive, and the flash drive should be at least 8 gigabytes in size. You need internet connections to get all the softwares that you need. So first of all, I'll show you a site where you can get your operating system from, another application that you might need. And quick one, this video is for Windows users only, not, it doesn't apply to Mac users. So if you're a Mac user, this video is obviously not for you. So I'll show you our website where you can get applications and system softwares for free. So I use this site a lot. You can just come here and type whatever operating system that you need. I can come here and say okay, Windows 11, and press enter, or you click on go. So it's going to bring you here. So these are operating system that doesn't require key. They've been cracked one way or the other, and most of the softwares here are already cracked, meaning they are free. So you click on the desired one of your choice. You scroll down. If you have time, you can read through the features of the operating system, and once you're done, you just come down here and click on download. So once you click on download, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. So it's going to download if an ISO file for you. So as you can see, it's going to download an ISO file. This is the icon for ISO files and other image files. This is the common icon to indicate them, but I have a file already, an operating system file already, so I'm not going to re-download this. So I'm going to click on cancel. But for you are going to start downloading. So it's about 5.28 gig depending on the operating system you're trying to download. So now once you're done downloading, the operating system is going to download on your PC. And once you're done downloading, another software you need is called Rufus. It is a tiny software that you use to put your operating system onto your USB flash drive. So I'm going to click on this first link. I have it already, but I just want to show you. So obviously this is a screenshot of how it looks. So you just scroll down, and I often go for the portable version, and it's just less than 2 megabytes. So you click on it, it downloads, I have it already, so I'm not going to download it anyways. So after you're done with these two steps, all you need to do is to get your USB flash drive and open the Rufus software. So it's going to open like this. So I'm not if you notice here now, there's no USB. It's not showing any USB drive here. It's blank. That's because I have not inserted any USB flash. So I'm going to do that now. So as you can see, immediately I inserted it, it shows a 16 gig flash drive. So now if you have 8 gig flash drive, you are good to go. That's enough. That's okay. So here where you have the select option, you say click to select. This is where you navigate to where you have your downloaded operating system ISO file. So for me, I have a tiny 11 ISO file here already, so I can click on that. Now this applies to Windows 8, Windows 10, or whatever Windows you're having. Now there are more situations where you change options, but that will be in the part 2 of this video. But this basically is just to introduce you to doing it yourself, and it's not something difficult at all. It's something you can do by yourself. So after selecting that, it's going to show boot selection over here. So it's going to show you the name of the file you just loaded. Now leave this option as it is. Standard Windows installation, just leave it as it is. Under the partition scheme, now for most system, for the older system, it was just the MBR that was working. That was the only options that existed back then for a long time ago. But recently, as from I think this first or second generations, you have this option of GPT partitions. So you are good to go with GPT because most system now they use the UEFI boot options. So you can leave this as it is, and you just come here and click on what start. Now it's going to bring some options for you. Now it's showing us that okay, remove requirement for 4 gig plus RAM, secure boot, and all that. Now it's bringing these options because I'm trying to use a Windows 11 operating system, and some of us know that the Windows 11 has certain requirements that your PC or laptop must meet before you can install a Windows 11 on it. But for this cracked Windows 11 that I'm using, and this Rufus software that I'm trying to use to put the operating system onto the flash, is going to give you the option, even if your system does not meet the requirement of a Windows 11, it's going to remove that requirement for you if you wish, and that's why it's bringing this option. But if your system meets the requirements of Windows 11, you can choose to uncheck it, or you can choose to leave it at default. Whichever option that you choose, it's all good, it's going to work. Now the second option is saying remove requirements for online Microsoft accounts. Now for Windows 11, it does require you to create or have a Microsoft account before you can complete the setup. But this option is going to remove that for you, so you can just boot into your Windows directly. So I'll click on OK and give it a sec. So it's going to wipe everything on that flash. You see, it's prompting me now that all data on the device, the name of your flash drive will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, click cancel. So obviously we're clicking OK for it to continue. So it's going to wipe everything on that flash drive, and you can see, as you can see, it's started working already. So once it's done, you can remove your flash drive, and that's all. So in the second video, I'm going to show you how to so in the second video, I'm going to show you how you can load it on your PC, so that you can go through with the process it's not something difficult at all. It's not difficult. The only time you can have issues is if there are other hardware complications with your PC. That is when you can have errors when you're trying to load this. So I'm going to skip these parts because obviously it's going to take some time for it to complete. So I'll see you in the next video.